Hello everyone, I am Dr. Purnima Disa Karkhanis, consultant psychiatrist at Zen Hospital, Mumbai, Enigma Clinic Thane and TCS Mumbai. Today I will be discussing about the psychological impact of the coronavirus on all of us. Just as a coin has two sides, similarly the impact of the virus is twofold, positive and negative. I believe it is our choice how we let the virus affect our minds. It is a new virus, rapidly transmitted, not much scientific knowledge, no definite cure or vaccine still in place. It can result in death in severe cases. On account of this, it has led to anxiety, depression, despair, irritability in few of us. It has also led to panic attacks with the fear that it could be fatal in us or someone from the family. The financial impact too is overwhelming. Social media and false rumors spread around have also added to the state of anxiety and fear. But let's pause here for a moment and see how the virus has had a positive impact on our lives. It has first helped us to slow down from the fast-paced lives we have all been used to, and that would have definitely led to a burnout someday. It has helped nature heal itself by reclaiming its own and helped us to heal ourselves in the process. It has replaced the constant annoying honking with the chirping of birds, rustling of leaves, and swaying of trees. Peacocks in the bylanes of Mumbai, unheard and unthinkable a few weeks back, but it has occurred. It has cleared the air of pollution and smog and helped us to breathe easier and better. It has given us a chance to relax and enjoy, bond with our family, and reconnect with friends whom we have lost touch with. It has helped us rediscover hobbies which were forgotten and kept aside. Above all, it has given us the time to introspect about our previous mundane lifestyle and made us realize the most important fact that health is the real wealth and everything else pales in comparison. It has taught us to go back to our basics, lead a simple life, and has made us self-conscious about cleanliness and hygiene. To me, the positive impact of the virus has far outweighed the negatives, and hence we must not despair. A cure is inevitable. It's just a matter of time. So we must use this time to enjoy ourselves, a time to reflect, and consider this time as a blessing rather than a curse. Let us change ourselves for the better, meditate, and be positive through it all. One of my favorite poems, called Leisure by William Henry Davis, comes to mind at this point as it sums up our life till date so aptly. And it goes like this: what is this life full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars, like stars at night. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet, how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. A poor life if, full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. And this is how we have lived our life so far. This chance we may never get again. So let us make the world a better place to live in by changing ourselves and changing our lifestyle. Let us stay positive through this period, stay healthy, and stay safe indoors. Thank you.